Decimal fractions in words. A decimal fraction is a fraction with the denominator or the bottom number that is 10 or a power of 10. So numbers like 100, 1000 and 10,000, for example. Look at our examples. We have the fraction 34 out of 100 or 34 hundredths. The fraction in words is written as 34 hundredths. As a decimal fraction, it is written as 0.34, and as a decimal in words, you write 0.34. Now let's look at 86 hundredths. That's it as a fraction. 86 hundredths written in words. As a decimal fraction, 0.86, and a decimal in words is 0.86. Now we'll look at one that has the hundredths, so 349 hundredths. We have 349 hundredths written in words. As a decimal fraction is 3.49, and as a decimal written in words it's 3.49. Now let's have a look and let's fill this in together as the next part. Here we have 111 hundredths. So we have to write 100 and 11 hundredths. And we have 1 whole hundred, 0.11, and it's 1.11 written here. And that's completed. Now the next one doesn't have very much information at all, so we have to fill it in. So we've got 269 hundredths. So let's fill in the first one first. 269 hundredths. It's already done in words for us, but we're going to put a 269 in here. And then we have 2.69. Now it's time for you to complete the Your Turn section by completing the table. Then check your answers to see how many you got correct. Don't forget to tick how you feel in the self-check box also. After that, complete the practice questions about decimal fractions in words on the following page. And don't forget to check your work to see how you've gone.